Hi, and welcome to this online professional Forex trading course. I'm Otieno FX, and in this course, you're gonna learn the exact strategies on how to trade Forex and make consistent profits. And I can tell you that if you are committed to master these skills and to apply and practice, you're gonna be trading like a professional in a short period of time, and you can create another income source to better your incomes and finance to replace your even day job. So if you don't know nothing about Forex, let us begin with lesson 1, which is introduction about Forex trading. So what is Forex? Forex basically is a foreign exchange or FX, and the FX market is one in which a nation's currency is traded to the others at a mutual agreed rate. The Forex market is one which is run electronically with a network of banks, and it is done 24 hours, 5 days a week. It's the largest market in the world. So if you compare it to stock market, the total value of stock market is about $500 billion. In comparison, for Forex is at 3 trillion a day. It's the biggest market in the world. And the way I treat Forex, I treat it like any other business. And in any other business, how do you make money? You make money by buying something low and selling it at a higher price. For example, you're buying ingredients at a lower price, and you have to cook them, and then you sell for people at a higher price. That's how you make money. There is no difference in Forex business. The only difference is that you're buying and selling not physical products, but you're selling and buying currencies. And it's one of the best business you can get into for a few reasons. Number 1, minimal investment. You start any other business, for example a restaurant or a shop, it's gonna cost you a few $1,000s to start. But in Forex trading, you can trade from as little as $200, like the minimum. You can have another lower than that. Some people will start at thousands, but you can at least do $200. Next is minimal time commitment. Forget about in other business, you can forget about life balance, forget about going back to your family. You're working like 10 hours a day. But when you're trading Forex, even as a beginner, you don't need more than 3 to 6 hours a day to be successful in this. Next, you don't have to worry about overheads like any other business. There's no employees, there's no office rentals to worry about, there's no inventory cost. Next thing is recession proof. Now the main thing that kills business is bad recession times, when people are losing money. In the process of Forex trading, there is no good and bad time. Why? Because we make money regardless of the direction of the currency pair, whether it is going up or it is going down or it is standardizing. So either way, we are making money regardless of the current situation. To succeed, you must be willing to work hard and master the professional skill. Now I keep telling people that is trading easy? It's like asking the same question, is business easy? Is a relationship easy? Is maintaining a relationship easy? Of course not, because if any one of these things were easy, everyone all over the internet will be making $1 billion company and earning 6 figures. So it's not easy. If it was easy, nobody in the world would work. Everyone will just stay at home and make money by pressing a button in front of a computer. There is no free lunch in this. No one will give you free money on this. So the business of Forex trading is like any other business, like any other career, in a way that you need skills, you need knowledge, right? Although people, they go into trading without skills and knowledge, and that is equaling to gambling. So they make money is based on luck. When they lose money is based on bad luck. But that is not a sustainable way of living. Anyone can make money in the market. Anyone. And that is what we call luck. But can you keep it consistent? Can you keep it profitable throughout? Now that is what differentiates a good trader and a person depending on luck. From my experience, even with the best coach and the best trading, it will probably take you at least 6 months to around 12 months to fully master this thing if you work really high. I know people who've been taking like 4 years, 3 years, 2 years to master the skill. Maybe they only use 1 hour a day, 1 hour a day. But if you're consistent on this program, if you keep it up, it will take 6 months to you to be in. So the process of this course is to help you mainly get the skill. So what is invested in this course will have saved you at least like 10 years of your life. If you condense it in like a few hours a day, you have to work hard, you have to practice, then you'll get skill, then you'll be able enough to generate yourself income for the rest of your life. All you need is internet and maybe a phone or a laptop and the skill and the will to do it. Alright, so next benefit of trading Forex is that it's extremely flexible. You can trade any time of the day. You can build your business from anywhere in the world, wherever time zone. And third, you can plan your daily routine around your day job. So you can do your day job and do Forex outside while you're working. So you have like 2 sources of income. The business of Forex trading allows you to get general consistent profits once you master these skills. So profit returns of 5% to 20% a month are very possible. Now some people may think like 5 currencies don't move 5 to 20% a month. How will you make it? The answer is through leverage. The currency markets allows you to trade. What I mean is that, for example, you can buy $1 million worth of currencies without having $1 million. Right? So you just need less than 1% of cash in order to take $1 million positions. So even if the price of the US dollar moves by just a bit, like 0.001%, that equates to even 10% on your investment based on leverage factor, okay? So for $100,000 account, for example, you can easily generate 5 to 20 grand a month of profit. Easy when you master the profit. Now obviously you don't have to start with 1,000 or 5 or 10,000 or 100,000. You can start with something small, just saying that 20% of whatever your investment is, 1,000 or 200. Like I said, making money in the financial market is very easy. Anybody can do it. It's called luck. Anybody can do it. The market can go up or can go down. So you have a 50-50 chances of getting it right when you place a bet, okay? But it is a matter of getting that money consistently and maintaining it is what will tell whether you're a good trader or a bad trader. And what you cannot be keep up on this 50-50 chance is when you go in big, because just one blow it wipes out the whole account because they are risking bad. And that is what happens to most people who go into trading, saying you have to make 500-200%, and 99% of traders go with that mentality, and the market stops them out. They blow the account, and they blow account at least 3 to 4 times before they wake up and say, okay, at least, okay, fine, now I'm going to learn, okay? And going to learn and doing it properly, it means not getting 100-200%. It's about getting 5 to 20% a month, and it's better to do that consistently, a month after month after month after month, than doing it 1 month, then the next month you blow it, you end up funding account. Is that gotten? Okay, good.